Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through diagnosing a wet basement. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is a weekend of investigation for you or whether you really do need that $14,000 quote. Here's the scene. You've got water at the base of a foundation wall after a rain. Maybe white chalky residue on the concrete. Maybe a smell that never quite fades. Maybe carpet that's never really dry. And somebody has already handed you a scary quote. Interior drainage, $14,000. Exterior excavation, $24,000. Helical piers, $40,000. In 40 years of working on my own houses, I've torn apart exactly one basement that actually needed that treatment. Every other time it was something much cheaper. Before you spend $1, diagnose. The first test takes 2 feet of plastic sheet and some duct tape. Tape a square of plastic tight against the wet wall. Leave it 24 hours. If the moisture shows up on the room side of the plastic, that's condensation, and a $180 dehumidifier solves it. If the moisture shows up behind the plastic, water is coming through the wall, and you keep diagnosing. Here's the sequence, cheapest to most expensive. Source 1, condensation. Source 2, an interior plumbing drip on the floor above. Source 3, gutters and downspouts. Walk the perimeter in a rainstorm. If a downspout is dumping 6 inches from your foundation, that's your leak, and a $10 extension fixes it. Source 4, grading. Pull a string line level out 10 feet from the wall. You want at least 6 inches of drop in that first 10 feet. Most wet basements I've diagnosed were a settled flower bed sloping the wrong way. Source 5, a foundation crack. Look for a hairline vertical line with white residue around it. If it's small, a $100 injection kit handles it yourself. The mistakes I see over and over. Paying for a drain tile quote before anybody diagnosed the source. Ignoring the downspouts. Piling mulch against the foundation every spring. Mistaking condensation for seepage. And skipping the plastic sheet test because it sounds too simple. And one more thing. If you see horizontal cracks, bowing walls, or stair-step cracks that are growing, stop. That's a structural engineer call, not a DIY. The guide tells you exactly when you're there. For the full diagnostic sequence, the 5 sources in order of cost, and the 3 specialists and what to ask them, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.